If you're a lady and you love your man, you want him to choose you over any other person. You want him to marry you. You want him to engage you. That's you want him to choose you over every other person. This video is for you. I'm going to share with you what you can do with honey to make your man choose you over any other person. Okay, yes. This tip is not to control his mind. This tip is not to manipulate him, but this tip is just to make him, you know, prioritize you, marry you, and engage you if you love this person. Unless you don't love this person, then you don't need to do this, this tip. Okay, because when you do this tip with honey, that person that you are dating, that man in your life, is definitely going to focus on you, and they are going to, make you their number one. Okay, so this tip is very, very powerful if you can do it very well. Okay, and believe me, this tip has no side effects, so you don't need to panic. I see some people asking questions, in the comment section about a side effects. This has no side effects. You are not, harming anything. You're not using any exchange of blood or whatever. You're just using honey. This is a tip that if you go to spiritualists, they're going to take money from you and do it for you. So you need to do this, easily by yourself. All right. So what you need to do is to get me these 3 items I'm going to show you in this video, because for you to do this assignment, you need to get these 3 items, use it, and carry out this tip, and see that that man, that guy, is going to prioritize, is going to choose you is going to choose you over any other lady. Sorry. Okay, so what you need to do now is to get me a red candle. Okay, red candle symbolizes passion, love. Okay, that is why you need to get a red candle. Now on this red candle, now you are going to write the name of that your man, and you are going to write your own name as well. You are going to write your request on this red candle. You can use marker to write it on the candle. You can use anything, to write the name on the candle. Okay, if you have marker, use it, red marker. If you have any other thing that you can use to write that is red, use it and write on the red candle. Okay, that is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, now you are going to get honey. Okay, honey is going to make his mind to be sweet. Honey is going to sweeten his mind. Okay, honey is going to sweeten his mind. That's why you need honey. And you're going to get another item called cinnamon powder. This is going to be something that is going to attract him towards you. Okay, so these 3 items are the items that you need to use to carry out this assignment. These 3 items are the things that you need to use to carry out this assignment. Now, once you have gathered these 3 items, this is how you do it. After you must have finished writing your name and the request of your desire on the, red candle. Now we are going to get this honey. Take a little of this honey. Okay, take a little of this honey, pour it inside your pan. Then get a little of this cinnamon powder as well, pour it inside that same pan. Okay, and turn it together. Okay, then start rubbing it on the candle, on the body of this candle. Okay, that place that you have written the name of your man and your own name with the request. Start rubbing it on the body. Okay, now as you're rubbing it on the body, you're going to be making a declaration. You're going to be saying what you want, that you want him to choose you over any other woman. You understand? You want him to choose you over any other one. You want him to marry you. You want him to prioritize you in that relationship. Okay, that no other woman will come in between both of you. That once this assignment has been concluded, that is going to prioritize you. Now say your prayer, say what you want, say your wishes as you're rubbing that cinnamon powder with the honey on the candle. Okay, after you must have finished rubbing it on the candle, now you're going to stand that candle. You're going to put fire on the candle and stand it on the ground and leave the candle to burn down by itself. Okay, leave the candle to burn down by itself. Now this spiritual assignment is something that you're going to do anytime, morning, afternoon, or night. Okay, you're going to do it anytime that you have chance, anytime you feel like you have, you want to do it, or you are free to do it. that is when you are going to do this assignment. It has no specific time. Okay, so once you have finished doing this assignment, believe me, that man, that guy is going to choose you. That guy is going to choose you. That man is going to choose you. Now, this tip is not to control him. This tip is not to manipulate his mind. This tip is not to, change anything. Just to make him see you as the priority. Make him choose you as somebody he can spend his rest of life with. Okay, so this tip is very, very simple and it has no side effects. Okay, so you don't need to panic about anything side effect because it is free. There is no side effect. Just get, candle, honey, and cinnamon powder. All right, that's all you need to get. Okay, so this is what you can make. This is what you can do. Sorry, it's what you can do to make him choose you over any other person. Okay, it's very simple. So if you have any question you want to ask about this video today, use the comment section to ask your question in case if you did not understand any part of this video. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, do well to subscribe, give you the thumbs up if you like this teaching, and I promise you're not going to regret subscribing to the channel. Okay, if you want to talk to me directly, maybe you have something you want to discuss with me, my DM is open with the number showing on the screen. Use it to get directly to me and we'll talk. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.